Hello class, so today I wanted to try out Powtoon. I haven't tried it in our class yet. Wanted to see how it goes. I actually bought a new mic, so let's see how this works out. We're going to talk about some more figurative language devices. We already know about onomatopoeia and alliteration, so let's refresh our memories real quick. Can somebody give me an example of alliteration? Raise your hands, please. Okay, how about an example of onomatopoeia? Thanks. Remember, alliteration uses the same consonant sound repeated, like the dog doo-doo during my dinner date. That's the example we came up with in class yesterday. Now for onomatopoeia, you gotta think old school Batman. And Robin and Batman were just sitting around punching the Joker, and you would see the big boom, pow, crash. So today we're actually going to be discussing similes, metaphors, and idioms. Now simile and metaphor are very alike except for one thing, and we'll discuss that in just a second. So simile is describing two unlike things using the word like or as. A metaphor is describing two unlike things without using the words like or as. So if I say that Brian is as sneaky as a fox, that would be a simile. How do we know that? I used the word as to describe Brian to a fox, is how we know that. If I said Ryan floats like a butterfly, what type of figurative language is this? That would be simile. How do we know? I used the word like to compare Ryan to a butterfly. Now try and come up with 1 to 2 examples yourself and write them down under your flap in your notebooks. Alright, now let's move on to metaphors. If a metaphor is describing two things without using the words like or as, then we would say something like this. Let's use our previous examples. Brian is a sneaky fox. Notice I took out the word as sneaky as a fox, right? Instead of saying Brian is as sneaky as a fox, I'm saying he is a sneaky fox. So Brian is a sneaky fox. Ryan is a butterfly. Now on that second example, notice how the meaning changed just a bit. If I called Brian a fox without adding sneaky, then our whole meaning changes. So you need to include the word if you want it to mean what you originally meant. So I'd have to say he's a sneaky fox if I want him to be a sneaky fox. I can't just say he's a fox. Although Brian, some people might say you are kind of foxy. Alright, and to say Ryan's a butterfly is just kind of means that he's social, right? That's what it kind of means. But if I say he floats like a butterfly, that's a whole different meaning. So I want you guys to take some time to write a couple examples under your flap of metaphors. And I'll wait so we can share them out.